Well, today looks like it's going to be a bright, sunny day with the clouds coming in the afternoon, so we're going to try to head out early and get some good quality riding in before the clouds take over. You know, one thing about living in this part of the country, the one thing you can guarantee is the weather will always be unpredictable and changeable. And whatever they say it'll be, you pretty much can guarantee it's not going to be. But we do try to take advantage of every riding day we have, because there's not an infinite, endless amount of riding days. So whenever we do get a day we can ride, riding is always priority one. And if we didn't do that, we wouldn't have to buy so many tires and so many cases of oil. And we're all trying to plan out another two-stroke day that we can get Mark and Luciano and maybe some of the other people we know that have two strokes for another. We had a great two-stroke day not long ago. But no matter what bike you ride or what the weather is, it's still better than a day on Rikers Island. And it's better by a whole lot too. Well, it's certainly looking like, now you can look up at the sky yourself, not a cloud in the sky. Weatherman predicts 0 precip, which means absolutely nothing. It's like a political promise. All that's left is a couple of honeydews, a cup of coffee, fish are already fed, get suited up, and head out that driveway. Maybe that's why they don't make them anymore.
Yeah, they were not very
you got it all cleaned up for the show today. I think you'll win in the old Ducati class. Holy crap.
It's not clean, trust me.
Oh my god.
It's so freaking windy, you know this?
The wind was blowing yesterday. Did you go out yesterday?
Yes.
Oh my god, I was blowing all over the road.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very comfortable riding, I know that.
Yes.
Yeah, I rode a couple of them.
It's like a ride on a couch.
What is that? Is this the...
It's supposed to be a fuel pump, but it's not electric...
I didn't notice that, yeah.
It's a sort of vacuum.
See, this looks easy to work on here too. The air-cooled ones are easier than like the one Glenn had.
Absolutely.
Oh my god, that water pump and no radiator.
With a gas tank.
You could work on it. You can even do the belts and everything, yeah.
I can change the time belts with my eyes closed.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Not too good.
So Luciano and I are going to buy this trailer and live in it. Hey, they got a good turnout today. Wow.
There's a kitchenette to the
A
bottom.
kitchenette, a bathroom, a shower, 2 potties, 2 sinks. Mamma mia. So tell me, did Charlie get his V4 yet, or is he bullshit? I think he's bullshit.
It's gonna be a long time before you buy the V4.
Oh, he's got to do a lot of crossing guard work, huh?
He probably needs to sell the yellow one.
What a beautiful day this turned out to be. Beautiful. The only problem is that the park's going to be crowded. You know, somebody ought to call the cops. There's got to be one criminal in this group.
That guy's gonna fit the.
And here comes the ringleader.
Is that the triple?
Yes.
What size?
Did you just get this?
I got it last year.
Oh, okay. I didn't see you ride it yet.
No, it's got very little miles. I haven't really ridden it too much, a couple of times. I think I bought it last September.
Yeah, it looks brand new.
Yeah.
It is. He bought it in September. It is like brand new. You know, he went through the winter, right? Nothing.
Nothing looks new on me after a year. This thing looks like it's ready to rob a bank or something. I'm a Lego thing.
I like it, actually.
Yeah,
I really do like it.
It's a cool one.
It is. It
And you
is.
say it's an 850? Wow, and it's a triple.
A triple, yeah.
Well, they have that, what they call it, the CROSSPLANE engine or
That's
something?
right.
Yeah, I don't know what that means, but that...
It runs, the crank pins are opposite of each other.
I see. Make it smooth?
You want to ride today, but you can't on your bike.
What's that? What's that?
Changed the,
Oh, that's right. You got rid of the rocket ship thing.
I switched, that's a Pug. It came black and silver. And
And
I
what does
switched
that
it.
do?
I switched it. It's just a,
It's a fender guard, or what the
Yeah,
hell? Oh,
but I
it's got
switched it.
taillights in it
I
too.
switched the colors too.
Wow, Jesus Christ,
I
you're
didn't
spending
like
all that. You're spending more money than Jose on electron. The tank. When I went to ride this bike, I thought I was on a car. The tank is so
You don't
wide.
like it. Well, I don't like it.
Vlad, isn't that tank too wide?
It's like riding a fat girl.
No, it's like riding a fat horse. Or riding a cow or something.
My knees don't fit.
Catch up.
I don't know. You don't need a kickstand with these side things. Jim, how much are these things? You almost could use it for a kickstand, huh? Wow.
I borrowed them last week to pull a motor out of my full Camaro.
Wow. Yeah. You could make a bridge like, yeah.
Well, you put wheels on it, turn it into a cherry picker.
Wow. I guess we're all jealous.
Actually, those are pretty beefy.
They're good if you drop the bike.
Well, they look like a.
Maybe I should have had them 2 weeks ago.
If you notice, they are a bigger diameter.
Yeah. There we go. Now we'll have a little stunt show.
Sun's on the way.
The B King, boy, I remember when that was a new bike. When they just came out, that was a Hayabusa, the motor.
Yeah.
Whoa! I think your scooter's faster. Not by much, though.
What about tomorrow? You ride tomorrow?
Tomorrow!
I'll take it a Mustang if it's today.
Yeah, I'd take the Mustang, too. The Mustang probably costs more than every bike in the slot right now. There you go. You know, if you're gonna talk the talk, you gotta walk the walk. Let's see some tire smoke. Come on, spin the tire, man. Come on, you got money for new tires. All right, tire smoke.
I rode that bike.
It's
That's turbo, right?
no.
It's not turbo?
No. It's a Hayabusa motor in a bike. A bike you can enjoy riding.
Wow.
And it's very deceiving because it.
This is a Porno Pete modification, official Porno Pete
saved my
modification.
ass going out to South Dakota with that.
Ooh.
It helps a little.
I prefer toilet paper.
Look, see this? What does that say?
What is that?
That's the $5 you had to pay to go on this.
The Rocky Mountain, Iron Mountain. Pete, you're a unique individual.
I had to pay $5.
You need more electronics. You need more things jumping and banging and things going back and forth.
Like,
And buttons and clips and
this is
rocket ship, push that. But what happened?
No, don't touch
oh,
that
no,
one.
I traction control.
I'll touch that one.
Oh, don't touch that. No, waiting 20 minutes to see a burnout here. I guess we're not even going to see one. A B-King burnout. Could there be more fun than getting out on the R1 on a beautiful sunny day, being with your friends, hanging out, drinking coffee, eating bagels? Doesn't get a lot better than that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.